Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ShareASale, full guide step by step clearly. To begin logging into ShareASale, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the ShareASale website URL, www.shareasale.com. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, locate the Login button. The Login button is usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the Login button to proceed to the login page. On the login page, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your registered username in the appropriate field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After entering your username and password, double-check for any errors. Once you have verified your credentials, click the Login button to access your account. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your ShareASale dashboard. If you encounter any issues logging in, ensure that your internet connection is stable. You may also want to clear your browser cache and cookies if problems persist. Once logged in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available tools and features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.